What are the components of population change demographics? Have you ever wondered how the population of the United States changes over time? Understanding the components of population change can provide you with a clearer picture of how our society evolves. The primary components of population change are births, deaths, and migration. Let's break these down. First, let's talk about births and deaths, which are often referred to as natural change. Births add to the population while deaths reduce it. When the number of live births exceeds the number of deaths, we see what is called natural increase. Conversely, if deaths outnumber births, we experience natural decrease. This natural change reflects how a population grows or declines without considering any movement across borders. Next, we have migration, which is the movement of people into or out of a specific area. When people move into an area, it is known as immigration, while moving out is called emigration. The difference between the number of people moving in and out is known as net migration. Migration can happen internationally, which means moving between countries, or domestically, which refers to moving within the same country. In the United States, migration plays a significant role in shaping population size and composition. Now, let's look at how these components interact in the context of the United States. Population growth is influenced by the balance of natural increase and net migration. Since around the year 2000, net migration has accounted for nearly half of the population growth in the United States. Recent trends show fluctuations in these components. For instance, in 2020, net migration surged while natural increase dropped to a low point. The U.S. population is also changing in terms of age distribution, racial and ethnic composition, and educational attainment. These changes are influenced by the components of population change. Fertility rates have been declining in recent years, leading to smaller younger generations compared to previous ones. Migration patterns also affect racial and ethnic diversity, with projections indicating growth in Hispanic and Asian populations relative to non-Hispanic whites. Understanding these components is not just academic, it has practical applications. For example, knowing how population changes occur can help in planning for infrastructure, schools, healthcare, and social services. It also plays a role in policymaking related to immigration and public health. Additionally, population changes impact economic forecasting, as shifts in population affect labor markets and consumer demand. In summary, the components of population change demographics are births, deaths, and migration. Together, they determine how the population size and characteristics of the United States evolve over time.